What's up, guys? So today we are doing a commercial truck wrap for our guys over at Pintail. It's some really bright colors. This is a tailgate. I think today all we're doing is getting it prepped and then getting the two sides done, but it should look really good. It's a camo with a blue, dark green, and light green gradient. They have 3 different colors, so we wanted to incorporate all of them. And then they all meet on the back, and the tailgate kind of goes from, it actually has 6 different colors on the tailgate, and it really pops. So we'll let you see it before we start and kind of show you the process. All right, so we have everything laid out. We got the hood, both sides, tailgate, the tops. So we are just about to get started. You can see the color of this is absolutely awesome. There's like a dark green, a light green, and you can barely see it, but a blue in there as well. So, Mr. Dave, how you feeling?
Feeling ready.
There you go. So here's the truck that we're wrapping today. Nice and clean. This is a 2024 F-250 long bed. It's a very big truck, a lot of wrap. I think the wrap altogether was about 55 feet for the full print. So plenty of wrap to do on this. It's gonna look great. Dave has disassembled the mirrors, and he's starting to take the trim off these doors so he can clean them. All the handles are off, brake lights are out. Then we're gonna get started on removing some of the decals, and it's already wiped down, ready to go. We use a alcohol and Windex mixture to wipe down the trucks to get all that last bit of dirt off before we start. All right, guys, so this is how it's looking right now. Dave did a killer job. Dave? Everything looks great. So on the back, I guess that's where we're heading next, right?
Yeah.
This is going to go into a blue camo. We have the website and number up there, Instagram, QR code, Facebook logo, all at the bottom. All looks great. This is going to get wrapped with another strip, so that's why it's just kind of wrinkled back here. So, oh yeah, when your friend can do it cheaper, yeah. I'll do it myself. Yeah, this is probably what it looked like if I tried to do it. All right, guys, so the back is on, and you can see this sweet gradient. It goes to this blue here. Dave's tacking it down right now. There's the front. So we'll come back when Dave is done and check it out. All right, guys, so Dave has completely finished this whole back half. It looks awesome. Right now he's just working on this top piece. He's getting it laid right now and glassed out. We'll start on it. But here's the front. Feed it all the way to the back. It's that really pretty gradient. Looks great. So, Dave, what are you starting on the next side after this?
Yeah.
The other side? So here in a second, we'll get this other side laid out and get this all wrapped. And then Monday, we're gonna do the tailgate and the hood. So, looks great. What's up, guys? So Dave just finished up on the wrap. It looks absolutely awesome. Good job, Dave.
Fun.
So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around real quick before we take it back to the other shop. It's absolutely awesome. I didn't get much time lapse of it, but you can kind of see how it went. Came out really good, and we got a whole fleet to do after this, as you can see.
Cool logo.
Down there, and a cool logo. Just real quick, show you this knife work from the man Dave. Looks great.